Oh,
Oh, okay.
Spanner,
Okay.
you came?
Yeah, so I come.
No,
Yeah. How your body now?
fine. No.
So I hope so they drink the medicine where doctor give you.
Yes, yes, yes.
But Oga, doctor, now this food now you follow for doctor prescription
Also now prediction.
because the food plenty. That's what I'm saying. For health is not. You understand?
Plantain and egg.
It plenty.
You plenty?
If you finish them.
I thought you came to sympathize with me for my what happened to me. So why are you looking at my food?
Nah, no, nothing. I'm sympathizing.
No,
Yes.
supposed to be crying now.
Okay.
Not looking at my food. Supposed to be crying. Oh, Agambo, see my leg. I don't know where you to go.
It, like because there's what doctor was trying to say that very day. Say I love you so much, Oga. Like I don't even want anything that will happen to you.
Yes,
You understand? So you don't need to be eating much food.
yes, I know. I'll eat more. Don't worry.
Yeah, for health, it's secure. Yes,
Health wise.
health wise.
Okay. You know, that is life of food.
I know food no food, Oga. Yes.
Let me give you tomato. You need that.
Sugar there inside.
Enough sugar. They said I like sugar.
Yes, sugar daddy. Sorry, I wanted to fall out. So the doctor petition, the drug doctor.
I don't understand you. Hey! I like this kind of food though. When you eat this kind of food, it's
It will go well. It will go well because for health, like health medical this thing, according to doctors, this thing. Now waiting.
Okay.
Okay, say you get BP, you don't drink a BP medicine.
Oh! Look, I go bring them. Oh, Jesus! And tell me to make I drink this thing every time. Oh,
See, you need to drink and fast.
hey, wait. Oh, wow. Hey.
You don't call him. Okay, let me go.
Go away.
Let me go and change clothes.
Change which clothes? Did you come with clothes? Come.
No, let me go.
Spanner. Spanner!
Okay.
Oh, Spanner. I don't like shouting this year.
You don't need them. You don't need them. Doctor's prescription.
Ew.
Okay, don't shout.
Ew.
Let me go and change clothes.
Ew.
Let me go and piss.
Ew.
Okay, I help.
Ew.
I did not chop it.
Ew.
He chopped me.
Ew.
Come on,
Ew.
back.